All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our left-hand corner to the wrench tool, and we're going to be on Canvas, and we're going to go down to Reference. Now you're going to hit Image and Import Image. You're going to scroll, find the picture you want. There it is. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to our colors. So just tap a circle, and then you're going to hit the plus sign and create new palette. Okay. Now, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so I can get some good color picking. You just hold down and tap. Now, I'm going to add a bunch of colors to this palette. I'm also renaming it just Lily, so we know what it is. All right, now I'm going to pick out a different color. So I'm going to hold down with my finger and then tap the tile. I'm going to get a dark brown, tap the tile. It's super easy, and it's a great way to get a color palette straight from your reference photo. So you don't have to question about what colors go together. You just know automatically. Usually I like to do between, if it's floral, like 6 to 7 colors. This photo has a lot going on, so. And then afterwards, I just like to play around with the colors to make sure they look good together. Just totally optional, but this is what I like to do. I hope this video helped, and I hope to see you soon.